Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. I hope you're doing very well. Alright, this is example 4. Alright, this is the fourth example in this series. We have to calculate the area of a circle with a diameter of 20 centimeters. Calculate the area of a circle with a diameter of 20 centimeters. Alright, we remember that the formula for calculating the area of a circle is pi times radius squared, pi r squared. And in this case, we are not given the radius but the diameter. So how do we get our radius from the diameter? Okay, we know that the radius is half of the diameter. That means diameter divided by 2. Okay, so we're given diameter as 20 centimeters and then we find half of it. So radius equals 10 centimeters. All right, that's 20 centimeters divided by 2. That's 10 centimeters. All right, so now that we have our radius, let's calculate the area. We're given pi as 3.14. and then the value of our radius is 10. All right, and then squared. So radius squared. Radius squared. So that's 10 centimeters squared. All right, all squared. So this is 3.14 times 10 squared is 100. That's 10 times 10, right? Then centimeters times centimeters, we give you centimeters squared. All right. Then now we are to multiply 3.14 by 100. This is easy peasy. Remember our jumping strategy. All right. We jump over the digits to the right if you are multiplying. Jump over the digits to the left if you are dividing. So here we are multiplying. That means you are moving the point to the right. Now, how many times are we going to move it? Depending on how many multiples of 10 we have. So we have 2 zeros here. So since we have 2 zeros, we move it twice. If you have 1 zero, you move once. If you have 3 zeros, you move 3 times. So here, let's do it here. We have 3.14 and then we are moving to the right twice by 10. And then another 10, making 100. So that means the point is now after the unit. So we have 314. All right, if you are to write it as decimal, we'll put the point 0. But there's no need for that since it's after the unit. So our answer is 314 centimeters squared. So what have we done? We're giving a circle with a diameter of 20 centimeters. To calculate the area, we need the radius. So we find half of the diameter, which will give us the radius, and half of 20 centimeters is 10 centimeters. Then we'll bring it back into our formula where we're giving pi as 3.14. Then we'll multiply that by radius squared. All right, and we have 3.14 times 100 centimeters squared, and that gives us 314 centimeters squared. If you want to learn more about how to multiply decimals, please do it to check our videos or ask your questions in the comments. I will attend to them. Thank you. Bye.